Like I'm saying, these steps are very important because you want to practice over and over and over again so that way you get that ginga, you get that movement of your cord so that you can go to the next step, okay? Now, speaking of the next, we have one more step to go. Let's go for our next demonstration. Now we're gonna go with a step that is called passadas para frente. All right, so passadas para frente, mi gente. Let's try to do this step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I repeat, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the pasadas para frente, I'm going to start with the leaders, all right? Because we cannot say no more man and woman. Now, we got to call leaders and followers because some ladies want to lead and some men want to follow, and it's all legal in Canada. So now, continue with our steps. We're going to go 5, 2, 3, pasadas para frente with the leader step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5 back, 6, 7, 8, which is the same one as we do. 5 to 3. We take 5 steps forward and then the other ones we step back. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, tap 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do one rotation for the other side, so at home you guys can pay attention and focus on the steps. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap 5. Bring the ladies back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap 5. Bring the ladies back. Rotation. Let's go. That's your leader steps. And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the ladies back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the ladies back. Rotation. And now we're gonna do the last step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One tip for the leaders. On 5, you want to do a little spring movement so that you hold it back and then you bring it back. Let's practice that one. 5 and 6. Again, 5 and 6. Again, 5 and 6 and 5 and 6. Don't forget, that's one of the most important part of this step right here. And further, with no further introduction, we're gonna start with the ladies, again, followers, so that they can start their steps. Mi gente, let's go. And 5 and 6. Now 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, as you see how the ladies move gracefully, they will switch and do on the other side. And Bongolo, don't try to go the other direction. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. The Kizomba Canada ladies are looking good. Good. The next one, let's now face the front so that way we can finish our step. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tap and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. And now our last turn, we're going to face the other side. But Tyler, relax a little bit. You look like a military next to Misha. You want to protect her or something. Misha, Tyler wants to protect you. All right, let's go. Since we got that on camera, let's start again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. All right. Now, with no further introduction, let's try to do this step on a count. Let's try to count together so our people at home, they can be able to do the same steps when the music will play in 5 seconds. Again, so let's try that. 5 and 6, count really slow. 5, 6, 7 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop 5. Stop on 5. 5, still that same baseball, right? And now we step 6, 7 back, go. 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boing, 6, 7, 8. Now that boing feeling, let's just go 5, 6. Mi gente, 5, 6, 5 and 6. Again, 5 and 6. Touch and go. 5 and 6. Now go. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, my people. And now we're gonna do this with this beautiful music that we know that is called Kizomba.